Yes, good afternoon everyone. And yesterday I discussed up to 13th problem in dot product. Today I am going to continue from the 14th problem, objective in dot product. This is the 14th problem which I wrote on the board. The angle, you just observe that one. The angle, the acute angle made by the line joining the points. He has given you 2 points, right? With y-axis. Okay, so first of all, there are 2 points given to you. Consider them as x1 y1 z1, x2 y2 z2, right? X2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1. Understood? And or else you can do, see here, cos theta is equals to find out the drs of that line. X2 minus x1 called 2 comma, you can find out like this, drs of line, or else you can do in the normal method, like this is a bar, this is b bar, a bar dot b bar upon mod a into mod b. Cos theta is equals to a dot b 3, okay, plus 15 plus, okay, 2 upon a bar dot b bar upon mod a into mod b, root of 1 plus 9 plus 4 into root of 9 plus 25 plus 1. You just simplify this one, you are going to get the answer. Theta is equals to cos inverse of 2 by 3 you should get. So copy this one. Or you can also do like this. Second method, drs of line is equals to x2 minus x1 2 comma minus 5 plus 3, it is minus 2 comma minus 1, right? Drs of this line is equals to this, but he asked you with y-axis. Observe, yes, this is the condition. With y-axis he asked, so y-axis means this one, cos theta is equals to, okay, here it is y-axis, so minus 2 upon root of a square 4 plus 1, which is equals to, that means here cos theta means here you are going to get plus or minus. Cos theta is equals to minus 2 by 3, but acute angle he asked, so it should be only positive. Theta value is equals to cos inverse of 2 by 3. So this is the best way to do the problem. Observe that problem I am going to say, right? Drs of what this line, drs of the line joining 2 points x1 y1 z1, x2 y2 z2, x2 minus x1 comma y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1. You are going to get 2 comma minus 2 comma 1 minus 1. Okay, theta is equals to, with y-axis he asked now, that means with y-axis implies cos theta is equals to minus 2 upon root of 4 plus 1, right, which is equals to root 9 value is equals to 3. Here you are going to get plus or minus 3, right? But he asked you to find out only acute angle, it should be positive. So theta is equal to cos inverse of 2 by 3 is the answer. Take down. This is the explanation for 14th problem. And observe that 15th problem on the screen. See that 15th problem on the screen. if A bar is equals to given to you, right? If A bar is equals to I plus 2j plus 3k, that means I am going to write this one as A bar is equals to 1 comma 2 comma 3 as this is objective. I can also write I plus 2j plus 3k as 1, 2, 3. B bar is equals to minus I plus 2j plus k. B bar is equals to minus I plus 2j plus k, right? Plus k. And C bar is equals to 3i 1 comma 0. That means 3i plus j he has given you. And A bar plus TB bar is perpendicular to C bar, then find the value of T. Okay. First of all, you check the vectors which I have given you on the board, right? And here he has given you A bar plus TB bar. A bar plus TB bar is perpendicular to C bar. So you are going to get, first of all, you should find out A bar plus B bar value, A bar plus TB bar value. That means, what is the value of A bar plus TB bar? Observe, A bar plus TB bar is equals to 1 minus T into I, okay, plus 2 plus 2t into j, which we have done already in terms of lambda, plus 3 plus t into k, right? And C bar is equals to already known 3i plus j plus 0k, right? Given that A bar plus TB bar is perpendicular to C bar, which implies the dot product should be equals to 0, right? The dot product is equals to 0. Now, which implies 1 minus T into 3 plus A1 A2 or A1 B1 plus A2 B2. 2 plus 2T into 1 plus 3 plus T into 0 is equals to 0, right? So, if you simplify this, you are going to get T value. Try to do that T value. You should get T value is equals to 5. I am going to repeat this problem number 15 on the board. Observe this one carefully. Here he has given you A bar, B bar, C bar, right? Here he has given you A bar, B bar, C bar, right? And A bar plus TB bar is perpendicular to C bar. Now, I found the vector A bar plus TB bar, right? A bar 1, TB bar minus T into I plus 2 plus 2T into J, right? 3 plus T into K, right? Now, this is perpendicular to this vector, okay? So, you are going to get A bar plus TB bar is perpendicular to C bar, means the dot product of those two vectors is equals to 0, means dot is equals to 0. 1 minus T into 3, 3 minus 3T plus this into 1, okay, plus this into 0 is equals to 0. Now get T value is equals to 5 from that. Copy this. The same type of problem we have done in terms of lambda, okay. Copy this one. Next problem. Yes, I'm going to share that 16th problem on the board. Observe this one. See that 16th problem on the screen. Copy that. Copy that 16th problem on the screen. If the vectors, he has given you two vectors, right? He has given you two vectors are orthogonal to each other. Then the locus of the point x comma y is. See, what are the vectors given to you? 16th problem. The first vector is 1 minus 2x minus 3y. 1 comma minus 2x comma minus 3y. And the second one it is 1 3x 2y. 1 3x 2y. Okay. Now these two are orthogonal to each other. What is the meaning of it? That means those two are orthogonal. Orthogonal is nothing but perpendicular to each other. Okay. Those two are perpendicular to each other. What does it mean? If two vectors are perpendicular to each other, then the dot product should be equals to 0. Okay. So given what has been given to you, this vector is perpendicular to this one. Okay. So if these two are perpendicular to each other, that means orthogonal. Okay. Then a1 b1 plus, okay, a2 b2, that means you are going to get minus 6x square, okay, minus 6y square is equals to 0, right? The dot product is equals to 0. That means you are going to get 6x square plus 6y square is equals to 1, which represent the locus is which represent a circle. Okay, option number 1 is the answer. I think circle is the first option given to you. So I am repeating this problem number 16. Here he has given you 2 points, right? That means 2 points are nothing but 2 vectors. And he has given you those 2 vectors are perpendicular to each other. Okay. 2 vectors are perpendicular, that means orthogonal to each other, and only if the dot product of them is equals to 0. The dot product of them should be equals to 0 means 1 into 1, okay, plus minus 2x plus 3x. That means that minus 2x into 3x is equal to minus 6x square. Minus 3y into 2y is equal to minus 6y square is equals to 0. Now transform these two that side. I am going to get 6x square plus 6y square is equals to 1, right? Now this represents a circle whose, observe this one, this represents a circle, okay. Why? Because x square coefficient is equals to y square coefficient. Now that means it represents a circle, okay, whose radius is equals to 1 by root 6 units. If you send this 6 that side, it becomes 1 by 6, right? That means x square plus y square is equals to r square formula. R value is equal to 1 by root 6. There is no need to do up to that one. If x square coefficient is equals to y square coefficient, then that represents a circle. I am going to repeat this point again. After transforming these two that side, you are going to get this point, right? This step. In this step, we can observe x square coefficient is equals to y square coefficient. Then the locus of the point x comma y is a circle. Copy this one. Now you just see that problem number 17 on the board. 17, problem number 17 on the board. If I bar plus j bar plus tk bar, b bar is equals to I plus 2j plus 3k, then the value of t if a bar plus b bar is perpendicular to a bar minus b bar. I am going to repeat this problem, this question. First of all, observe the question number 17. Okay, if a bar given to you, b bar given to you, right? He asked you the value of t if a bar plus b bar is perpendicular to a bar minus b bar. Okay, now how to do? I am going to say how to do this problem. If you feel comfortable, even you can do. Otherwise, after that you just observe this one. I am going to do on the board, right? First of all, you should find out a bar plus b bar, right? After that, you should find a bar minus b bar and find the dot and equate the dot product 0, right? And equate that dot product 0. Okay, I mean to conclude. Initially, you should find out a bar plus b bar. Secondary, a bar minus b bar, and you just equal the dot product to 0. Then you are going to get t value. Start doing that problem. I am going to rub this side. Okay. Now, what will be the value of a bar plus b bar there? What will be the value of a bar plus b bar? Okay. A bar plus b bar value is equals to 2i, right? Plus 3j, okay? T plus 3 into k. Am I right? What I wrote? A bar plus b bar value is equals to 1 plus 1, 2, right? It becomes 2i plus 3j, right? Plus t plus 3k, okay? Now, a bar minus b bar is equals to I minus I, 0, j minus 2j, it is minus j, right? T minus 3 into k plus t minus 3 into k. A bar minus b bar value, na? Okay? I minus I value is equals to 0, you are going to get. Now, he has given you these two are perpendicular to each other. What does it mean? A bar plus b bar is perpendicular to a bar minus b bar. It means the dot product should be equals to 0. See, 2 into, here it is 0 now. So it is 2 into 0. Why? Because I bar coefficient is not there, right? Plus 3 into minus 1, okay? Plus t plus 3 into t minus 3 is equals to 0. Okay, which implies minus 3 plus t square minus 9 is equals to 0. T square is equals to 12. Right? Now, t value is equals to, you can get. Copy that problem. I am going to repeat this problem number 17 solution. Observe. First of all, I found a bar plus b bar, right? After that, a bar minus b bar. After that, those two are perpendicular to each other, means the dot product should be equals to 0, right? So I made the dot product equals to 0. I got t square is equals to 12. T is equals to plus or minus 2 root 3. Is the answer. I hope you understood that. Copy that problem number 17 solution. This is 18th problem which I am writing on the board. Question number 18. Question number 18. If A bar is equals to, observe given to you, if A bar is equals to 1 comma minus 1 comma 2, right? B bar 2, 4, 1, C bar gamma minus 1 mu are mutually perpendicular, then find gamma comma mu. Find gamma comma mu. Here he has given you one hint. Here he has given you one hint. A bar, B bar, C bar are mutually perpendicular. What does it mean? A bar is perpendicular to B bar is perpendicular to C bar is perpendicular to A bar. Okay, so that means three are mutually perpendicular to each other, means A dot B should be equals to 0. A bar is perpendicular to B bar, right? See this one, 18th problem, right? A bar is perpendicular to B bar means A dot B should be equals to 0, right? What is A dot B? A dot B value is equals, which implies in this one A dot B is equals to 0, obviously 2. Okay, observe, minus 4 plus 2, it is 0. Okay, now A dot B is equals to 0. B bar is perpendicular to C bar means B dot C should be equals to 0. There is no need to do A dot B value 0. Obviously, if you find the dot product of A bar and B bar, it is equals to 0 only. Okay. Now B dot C is equals to 0 means you are going to get one relation, 2 gamma minus 4 plus mu is equals to 0. Okay, observe this one. B bar dot C bar is equals to 0 means 2 into gamma, 2 gamma minus 4 plus mu is equals to 0, right? Observe this one. And next one, C dot A, C bar is perpendicular to A bar is equals to, means C bar dot A bar is equals to 0, right? What is that C bar dot A bar called? Gamma plus 1 plus 2 mu is equals to 0. Now, solving 1 and 2, you are going to get gamma and mu. Okay, I am going to repeat this problem number 18. A bar is perpendicular to B bar. A bar, B bar, C bar given to you. Okay, A bar, B bar, C bar given to you. He has given you 3 are mutually perpendicular to each other. That means A bar is perpendicular to B bar means A dot B is equals to 0. B dot C is equals to 0. C dot A is equals to 0. Obviously, A dot B value is 0. So there is no need to do. Why? Because there is no unknown value in A bar and B bar, right? So B dot C is equals to 0. B bar dot C bar is equals to 0 means you find the dot product of B and C. You are going to get this one, right? Observe this one if you want. 2, okay, minus 4. 2 gamma minus 4 plus mu is equals to 0, right? And here C dot A is equals to 0 means gamma plus 1 plus 2 mu is equals to 0. Now solve those two to find out the value of gamma and mu. Copy that one. Solving 1 and 2, we get Solving 1 and 2, we get gamma is equals to 3 and mu is equals to -2. Gamma is equals to 3, mu is equals to -2. Gamma is equals to -3, mu is equals to -2. Simplifying that, you are going to get the answer. Copy that problem. Nineteenth problem. If A bar comma B bar comma A bar plus B bar, those three are unit vectors, then he asked you to find the angle between A comma B. A bar, B bar and A bar plus B bar are three unit vectors, right? Then he asked you to find out the angle between A comma B. Okay. Now how to do? Given A bar comma B bar are unit vectors, means what is the meaning of it? 19th problem solution I am writing. Mod A bar is equals to mod B bar is equals to mod A plus B is equals to 1. Right? Squaring on both sides, that means mod A plus B whole square is equals to mod A square plus mod B square plus 2 times of A bar dot B bar. Right? This value is equals to 1. This value is equal to 1. This value is equal to 1 plus 2 into A dot B value is equals to mod A into mod B into cos theta. So mod A into mod B into cos theta, where mod A mod B value is obviously 1. So you are going to get 1 is equals to 2 plus 2 cos theta. Right? That means 1 plus cos theta is equals to 1 by 2. You are going to get 2 cos square theta by 2 is equals to 1 by 2. You are going to get. That means cos square theta by 2 is equals to 1 by 4. Okay. Now you are going to get cos theta by 2 is equals to 1 by 2. Okay. Theta by 2 is equals to 60 degrees. Theta is equals to 30 degrees. Understood? I am going to repeat this problem once again on the board. Observe this one clearly. Here he has given you A bar comma B bar and A bar comma B bar, okay, and A bar plus B bar are three unit vectors, okay, are three unit vectors. So mod A plus B whole square is equals to mod A square plus mod B square plus 2 into A dot B is the formula, right? 1. Okay, observe that one clearly. 1 is equals to 1 plus 1 value 2 plus 2 cos theta. Okay, if I take, that means you are going to get, here itself you can do, there is no need to do. Here itself we can wind up the problem. Observe this one clearly. Very easily you are going to get theta value 2 pi by 3 here itself. Okay, 2 cos theta is equals to -1 by -1. 2 cos theta is equals to minus 1. Okay. Cos theta value is equals to minus 1 by 2. Okay. Theta is equals to 120 degrees, which is equals to 2 pi by 3 is the answer. Radians. I am going to repeat here once again. Mod A given to you, mod B given to you, and mod A plus B given to you as 1. Squaring on both sides. 1 square is equals to A square plus B square plus 2 into A dot B. A dot B value is equals to mod A into mod B into cos theta. Mod A value is equals to 1. Magnitude of B bar is equals to 1, right? Right? And cos theta you are going to get. Now, 1 is equals to 1 plus 1. 2 plus 2 cos theta. Now, 2 cos theta is equals to minus 1. Cos theta is equal to minus 1 by 2. Now, theta value is equals to 120 degrees, which is equals to 2 pi by 3 is the answer. Copy that one. Yes. Problem number 20. If A bar, B bar, C bar are 3 unit vectors and A bar plus B bar plus C bar is a null vector, find the angle between A comma B. After this entire 21 problems, right, I will share the problems on the screen objective. Okay, you just take the screenshot, the same problems you are going to get. Okay, nothing to worry. I am writing. Why? Because I can't share the each and every problem on the board. That means the screen is going to be this much short. Okay, so I am writing each and every problem on the board. After completion of this session, I will share the page on the screen. You just take the screenshot of that one, okay, and practice them. Understood? Okay. Now, 20th problem, how to do. As the problems are small, that means not lengthy, which I feel. So I am writing each and every objective on the board. After that, I will share the screen. That means the page on the screen. You can easily do that one. Okay. Now, what is the solution here? A bar, B bar, C bar are 3 unit vectors. What is the meaning of it? Magnitude of A bar is equals to mod B bar is equals to mod C bar is equals to 1. Am I right? Now, A bar plus B bar plus C bar is equals to null vector. No? That means A bar plus B bar is equal to negative C bar, I can write. Okay. See here, he asked you to find the angle between A and B. So I am transforming C to right hand side. Suppose he would have asked you angle between A and C. You should keep A and C in the left hand side, and you should send that minus B to the right hand side. Okay. So I am going to repeat this. A bar plus B bar is equal to negative C bar. Squaring on both sides, I am going to get A bar plus B bar whole square is equals to mod C square, right? Minus C whole square value is nothing but C square itself. Now I am going to get mod A square plus mod B square plus 2 into A dot B is equals to mod C square. Substitute 1 plus 1 plus 2 into A dot B value mod A into mod B into cos theta is equals to 1 itself, right? Now this becomes 2, and you are going to get 2 into here this value 1, this value 1, 2 cos theta is equals to, okay, here 2 plus this is equals to 1. Now I am going to get 2 cos theta is equals to 1 minus 2 value is minus 1. cos theta is equals to minus 1 by 2. Again, I am going to get theta is equals to 120 degrees, which is equals to 2 pi by 3 radians. If you want, you can convert this into radians. Okay. I am going to repeat this once again. Observe, mod A, mod B, mod C given to you as 1. A bar plus B bar plus C bar is equals to null vector. I want to find out the angle between A comma B. That means that's why I just kept this A plus B in the left hand side. Suppose he would have asked you the angle between A and C, you should transform this B to that side. Okay. Now I think you got squaring on both sides. Instead of A dot B, I use this one. Mod A value 1, mod B value 1. Okay. Cos theta is equals to minus 2 cos theta is equal to minus 1, right? Cos theta is equal to minus 1 by 2 and theta is equals to 120 degrees. And today I am going to wind up this session. I am going to share that the page on the screen. You just observe that one and take the screenshot, or else if you want, even you can write. Okay. Have a nice day. Tomorrow we can.